Romanticism is a literary genre which started with the French Revolution in 1789. It ended in 1832.
There are different types of romanticism: escape into feelings, the poet as a prophet or genius, and black romanticism.
The artists and poets use feelings as a tool for in-depth understanding and appreciation of life. William Wordsworth is a romantic poet who used feelings as a tool in his poems. In his poem My Heart Leaps Up, he uses feelings as a tool. The first two lines: "My heart leaps up when I behold a rainbow in the sky."
The romantic poet often considered himself as someone set apart from society and the rest of humanity, so they were often outsiders. The idea of the artist or the poet as a genius and a prophet belongs to the Romantic Age. This means that the poet was able to look under the surface of materialism and everyday things and find what was called the essence.
When the romantic poet was disappointed in his hopes for a better world, he dug into feelings which were pessimistic. For instance, Frankenstein, which was written in 1818 by Mary Wollstonecraft Shelley. The supernatural element was important in a lot of the romantic poets' writing, but also magic and mystery.
You can say that the romantic poet looks up at God, backwards at the past, and inside of himself, the feelings. Furthermore, nature was an important part as it was unspoiled and true.